Namaskar, myself Dr. Santosh Lagad. Today I am going to present in front of you one lecture related with MA M.Sc Geography Part 1st. All of you knows that MA Part 1st Geography has 6 subjects for the first semester. Among these 6, GGDT 114 Principle of Population and Settlement Geography is one of the important subject. Today we will study the introduction of subject. All of you know the structure of the paper in the first semester. The principle of population and settlement geography. The subject have 4 credit. This subject has 8 topics, and for the study this subject required 60 lectures. This course have 100 marks. That 100 marks is divided in 2 categories: internal examination and university examination. Internal examination has 30 marks. Among these 30 marks, college or institute conducted open book test, regular test, assignment, seminar and attendance. These elements has 30 marks. Remaining 70 marks has for the university exam. Then principle of population and settlement geography has 8 topics. Among these 8 topics, first topic is introduction to population and settlement geography. In this chapter, first subtopic is definition, nature and scope of population geography. In this subtopic, that we will see meaning of population geography, definition, and how that scope of the population geography is recently increasing, as well as how population geography has its interrelationship with number of multidisciplinary subject. Then second subtopic is development of population geography as discipline. As you people knows very well that 360 before the birth of Christ, that geography discipline is studying in the overall world, but in the geography discipline, that population geography is not a separate sub-branch of geography, but after 1950 people knows importance of population, and because of that population geography is the separate discipline of geography is studying since from 1953. Means we people study in this topic how development took place in the subject of population and settlement geography. Then third, approach to the study of population geography. All of you knows very well that before the technological and statistical evolution in the discipline of the geography, the subject people studied with the help of descriptive method, but after the evolution and development in the branch of geography studied scientifically, statistically in the discipline of geography. So that population and settlement geography having different type of approaches, like as descriptive approach, statistical approach, genetic approach, spatial approach, temporal approach, and etc. Then in the subtopic of 4, we will study definition, subject matter and scope of settlement geography. Then we people knows very well that geography have two important branch. First, physical geography. Second, human geography. Population and settlement geography is the sub branch of human geography. In this branch, we will see that evolution of settlement in the world and development of the settlement till today, how that settlement are developed by nomadic man to developed man. We will study under the heading of definition, subject matter and scope of settlement geography. Then fifth topic, subtopic, development of settlement geography. Then sixth topic, approaches of the settlement geography. Already I mentioned here, there are different attitude of the geographers, scientists, students, academicians to study the discipline. As per attitude, we will study settlement geography in the point of view genetic approach, spatial approach and ecological approach. Then topic number 2, population distribution. In this topic, we will study distribution of population in the India, overall the world, how according to space and time population is distributed overall the world. There are number of factors which having their lot of influence on the population distribution. They are physical, social, economical, political factors which having positive as well as negative influence on the population distribution. Just I will give you one example related with population distribution. All of we knows that Asia is the continent having the highest population in the world. Asia is occupies 16% area of the world and having the more than 60% population of the world. Vice versa, Australia continent have the 20% area of the world and having only 8% population of the world. This type of the contrast condition we people found in these two continents. Because of that, physical, social, economical and political factor have their influence on the population distribution. As per the space, as per the time, that distribution of the population is different. Before the birth of Christ, 300, the world having only 10 million population, and just in the 2019, that world having 700 to 200 million population, means population increasing very rapidly. Why population is increasing very rapidly? Because of the increasing medical, health, hygienic facility, increasing the technology, development took place in various sectors, and because of that population is increasing very rapidly over the world. Then second number subtopic, density, definition of the density, type of the density. What is meant by density? Density is the distribution of the population per square kilometer. Density having different type of the measurement. We will see details this measurement under the heading of second topic, density and its types. Then third subtopic, factor affecting density of population. Then already I mentioned in this topic that how population is differ according to space and time. Then why Distribution or density of the population is differ according to place and time. There are number of that significant geographical factors surrounding element having their influence on the density of the populations. Because of that, density of population is differ in the micro to macro level, and we'll see details how the density is differ. Simple, I will tell you example of that West Bengal, Bihar, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, these are the states having very high density. As compared to this five state, the state lies in northeast India having the very low density because of the topography. Topography is one of the important factor, physical factor, which having their positive influence on the density of the population. Then fourth number topic, population density in India. Then not only over the world densities differ, but from the micro level up to the macro level in India, density of the population is differ. Simply, I will give you one example that Karjat is the suburb of the Ahmednagar district, having a very less density as compared to the urban area of Ahmednagar. Why? Because of the connectivity, because of the industrial development, because of the facilities and amenities. Those people are residing in Ahmednagar city, they are enjoying lot of facilities and amenities, and because of these facilities and amenities, people are attracted to the Ahmednagar city. As compared to that, Karjat having very less facilities and amenities, so that attraction towards the Karjat is very less. Means within a tahsil, within a district, density of population is differ. Same as in India, the density of population is differ according to state. We will see details in this subtopic. Then fifth subtopic, urbanization, definition and stages of urbanization. We will know very well that recently the people are migrated from rural area to the urban area because of the job, because of the enjoying various type of the educational, recreational, entertainmental facility, and because of that, day by day, that rate of urbanization of our India is increasing. All of you knows that the Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra, these are the two states of our India having the highest urbanization as compared to the remaining states. Then we'll see details about the urbanization in subtopic fifth. Then sixth, trend and level of urbanization in India. Then in the 1901 in India, only 10% people are residing in urban area, but according to 2011 census, more than 40% people are residing in urban area. Why? The population of the urban area is increasing very rapidly, to which the factor having their influence to increasing the urbanization. We'll see details in this topic. Then topic number third, population growth and trend. Then concept of population growth. Growth means that increasing the population, but about the population may be positively increasing, may be negatively increasing. When people see that growth, that time we have only in our mind that growth is positive, but growth of population is may be positive, may be negative. And how that India's population, world population is increasing, we'll see details in this chapter. Then second subtopic, component of population growth. Then in increasing population or decreasing population, three elements of the anywhere of the world are very important. They are fertility, it means birth rate, mortality means death rate, and movement of the people from one region to the another region is known as a migration. These are the three important components of the population geography having their impact on the population growth. We'll see details, definition, measurement, and how number of factors having their influence on fertility, mortality and migration in details in the topic number 3rd. Then theory of demographic transition. All of we knows very well that Notterstein put forth the demographic transition, which is very important theory in population geography. That in 1853 that Notterstein put forth this theory in America, but till today this theory having the immense importance in the world, and we'll see details of demographic transition theory in this topic. Malthusian theory. Malthus is the one of well-known geographer who put forth population Malthusian theory. How that nature controls the population. When man is not able to control the population, that time nature come ahead and control the population. Just before 2 months in India, in the whole world, COVID-19 situation is arise, and because of the COVID-19 situation, number of death took place in the world. It means always nature balance the population, and this is one of the example of the Malthusian theory. Then how that nature control the population? It is one of the best example of the COVID-19, flood, hazards, earthquake, volcano. These are the disasters are happen in the world, and they are controlled, or because of this disaster number of death took place, and because of this death that population controlled by the nature. The 5th topic, population growth and trend in India. Then 6th topic, migration, concept of migration and migrant and migration, how immigration took place, how outmigration took place. We'll see details in population growth and trend in this topic. Then 4th topic, population structure and characteristics. This is very important topic according to myself for the student those are studying in the MA part first, because this topic having very much important for the competitive exam as well as your net set exam. So you people given highest concentration focus towards the topic number 4, population structure and characteristics. Then just we people see that question paper of our net set exam, question paper of your Maharashtra Public State Service UPSC exam, number of questions related with population structure and characteristics we will find in this question paper. So you people give more attention to this topic. Age and sex structure of the population means how distribution of the age and sex of the peoples in the nation is differ according to continent, according to country wise, and how this distribution having their own impact on economy of the nation. Just two people knows very well in India that population below 15 and population above 60. When you people get a summation of these two population, that these two population is greater than active population, means in India dependent population is greater than active population, and this dependent population having their negative influence on economic development of India. Vice versa condition you people found in North America. We will see details age and sex structure in this topic. Concept of aging of population, already I explained in front of you that what is meant by aging. Aging means that population of age more than 60 in developing countries and 65 in developed countries. If this type of the population is increasing in any nation, and then it is dangerous to economic development of this nation. Just we will see in China that aging population is greater than active population, and because of that China having their negative influence on the economic development of China. That vice versa condition you people found in India. Already that Abdul Kalam as well as our Prime Minister Narendra Modi told you India is the one of the young country. Then India is young country means after 5 years, 10 years, that population amount above 15 and below 16 is very high in India, and this is the active as well as active population, as well as this is one of the very important human resource of our country, which will take development, economic development of our India. And we'll see details how that aging population having their negative influence on economic development of India in topic number 4. Then third subtopic, dependency ratio. Then fourth subtopic, sex ratio. Already you people know that sex ratio means female per thousand male. In India, recently that female per thousand male ratio is declining, and this ratio having their influence on social development. And why that society or social development is imbalanced due to the declining sex ratio. Then why India's population or sex ratio is declining, we'll see details in the this subtopic, and how we are take the remedies to increase in the sex ratio of our India, we'll see in this topic. Then sex ratio in India, population composition, religious composition, linguistic. In India there are different type of the religion in India. How this religious population is distributed in India. India is multilingual country, and how according to space and time that linguist distribution is different. Then ethics are different, marital and educational status of our populations differ according to space and time. We'll see details in this topic. Then literacy, then definition and measurement of literacy. In India, as compared to the developed country, in India literacy is very less. Why literacy is very less in India? To find out the causes and consequence. Why that literacy of India is very less, and how this less literacy having their influence on economic, social and political development of India. As well as, if we want to increasing literacy, then which remedies we will take for increasing the literacy? Government Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, as well as free food, the free education up to the 14 age to the child. These are the some of incentive schemes are launched by government of India to increase in the literacy, because literacy is the one of the very important economic parameter to take the development of India. Then topic number 5, fertility and mortality. Then concept, fertility, fecundity, sterility and cohort, as well as measurement of the fertility. That what is meant by baby boom? Baby boom is the concept which is very important concept after Second World War and First World War, when held in the world. That time number of people took the death in developed countries. That time these countries are given incentives to increasing this population, and this is known as a baby boom concept. And this baby boom concept will deeply studied in this topic, fertility and mortality. Then fourth number subtopic, concept, mortality and morbidity. Morbidity means measurement of the mortality. Then death rate and its measures. Then level and trend of mortality in India. Then before industrial development, agricultural development, the rate of death rate of our India is very high. But after industrial development, agricultural development in health and hygienic facility, that death rate of our India is declining very rapidly. According to 2011 census, India having the death rate 9%, means, and in the year of 1901, India's death rate is a 29%. Means India's death rate is declining very rapidly. And why? Because of that development took place in various fields by Indian government and by the people. So level and trend of the mortality since from 1901 till today, how the death rate is declining, we'll see very clearly, as well as informative way in the topic number fertility and mortality. Already I mentioned here that we have name of our course is Principle of Population and Settlement Geography. Then first 5 topics. This course having the 8 topics. From these 8 topics, first 5 topics is related with demography as well as population geography, and remaining that this 3 topic is related with settlement geography. So today's first lecture, I given you that tentative information related with syllabus of population geography. Then these are the reference books which will helpful to you for collecting the information related with population and settlement geography. Bende and Asha Kanirkar, this is very good book for the population and population geography. Then R.C. Chandana having the one book related with the population geography. There are number of books I saw here. I am given 11 books which are very useful to you people to take on the reference whenever we will study this course. Then I saw it's my duty when I will give the information to you people related with our course, give the information about the course question paper also. So I am taken here one slide of our question paper, Principle of Population and Settlement Geography. Already I mentioned you people having 70-30 pattern. Then in this question paper you have 7 questions. You should solve any 5 questions among these 7 questions. Among that first question is compulsory, which carries 10 marks. Then question number 2 up to the question number 7 means I saw these are the 6 questions. Then you people having the choice to solve any 4 questions, and because of that it is known as a choice based credit system. Then what is meant by choice based credit system? It means you people having the choice to solve any 4 questions among these 6 questions. So you people take the benefit of that. Then question 1 carries 10 mark, which having the 7 questions among these 7 you people solve any 5. Then question number 2 having the 2 questions carries 12 mark. Question number 3 having 12 marks. Question 4 having 12 marks. 5, 6, 7. Each question having the equal marks. Then among these 6 you will solve any 4 question. Then question 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5, 6. These all 5 questions having 2 sub questions. You people solve any 2 questions from 1 question. That University of Pune cannot allow to you people to solve question 2A and question 3B for choice base. If you took the choice from this 6 question, you will exempt any 1 question. Don't exempt sub question. This is pattern of University of Pune. Then question 7, you will write any 2 notes among these 3. Means you have only choice to solve sub question in question 1 and question 7. I saw this is a question paper you people have for your first semester for the principle of population and settlement geography. That question first you will give the answers in 20 words. In question 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you give the answer in more than 60 words. Then question number 7, that write the short note, that whatever that question, 3 question is there. Among 3 questions, you people solve any 2 sub questions and give the detailed information of notes in between 50 to 70 words. And this is the question paper, carries 70 marks. Already I explained in front of you that 30 marks is the internal mark and 70 marks for the university exam marks. And when you people take into consider 70 plus 30, it is equal to 100 mark, and it means principle of population and settlement geography carries total 100 mark. Okay, so I saw you people understood the syllabus of principle and population and settlement geography. Today I explain in front of you only syllabus related with population geography and pattern of question paper of principle and population and settlement geography. Next lecture we will see again syllabus of principle of population and settlement geography, but syllabus is related with half part settlement geography. Okay, thank you.